How to repost on X or Twitter. So if you want to repost on X or Twitter, then what you need to do is first you need to open up the application, the Twitter application. Once you open the Twitter, now you need to simply choose a video that you would like to repost. So for example, I'll be choosing a post or a video. So if you want to repost this post, then what you need to do is simply tap on the repost option, which is on the bottom of the post. So here, once you open the post, you will have repost option here on the bottom right. You will have the second option of repost. Tap on that repost, and here it says that if you want to repost or not. So tap on repost again, which is on the bottom, and that's it. If it shows green color under that circle, then it means your post has been reposted. So if you go back to your profile, go for the profile, which is here on the upper left. Again, tap on the profile, and here you can see you have reposted this. So that's how you can repost on Twitter. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.